In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and remove video tags in your settings so you can organize and find your videos more easily. To get started, open the video you want to update, then go into the video settings. From there, select the general section. This is where you'll find the basic information and organizational options for that specific video, including tags. Once you're in the right place, look for the tags field. Here you can type in new tags that describe the content of your video. Tags are simple keywords or short phrases that help categorize your videos. For example, you might use tags based on the topic, project name, content type, or any label that makes sense for the way you work. The goal is to make your videos easier to sort through later, especially if your library continues to grow over time. If the video already has tags, and some of them are no longer useful, you can delete the old ones. This is a good idea if the content has changed, if the tags were too broad, or if you want to keep your naming system more consistent. Clean, relevant tags can make a big difference when you're trying to stay organized. As you update the tags, try to be clear and intentional. Use words you're likely to search for later. That way you're not just labeling the video, you're making it much easier to find when you need it. A consistent tagging style across all your videos can also save time and reduce confusion, especially if multiple people access the same content library. After adding new tags or removing outdated ones, your video will be better grouped with similar content. This makes searching faster and helps you manage large collections much more efficiently. Tags are especially useful if you have lots of videos covering different topics, workflows, or departments. That's all there is to it. Open the video, go to settings, choose general, and then update the tags by adding new ones or deleting old ones. With just a small change, you can make your video library much easier to search, sort, and organize.